Is it time to buy or sell Meta stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Meta. Our initial report was published on our website on the 26th of March, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 24th of March, 2025, our system has identified Meta as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -2.09. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a loss of -1.27%. This results in an average daily loss of -0.42% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is currently situated at the lower end of a very broad and horizontal trend in the short term. Typically, this may present a favorable buying opportunity. However, if there is a breakdown below the lower trend line at $582.21, it will signal a strong sell and a potential shift in trend. The existing 3-month trend indicates a possible change of -0.2% over the next 3 months, with potential returns ranging between -4.9% and +20.22%. Examining the longer term, our analysis over 12 months suggests a projected change of 38.36%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fall between 33.03% and 71.99% over the coming year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $812.77 and $1,050.84. Our latest daily update for Meta includes the headline Meta stock price down 2.45% on Wednesday. The Meta stock price experienced a decline of 2.45% on the last day, which was Wednesday, the 26th of March, 2025, dropping from $626.31 to $610.98. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 3.32%, reaching a low of $606.61 and a high of $626.75. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days, but remains down by 1.38% for this period. Volume decreased on the last day along with the stock, which can be seen as a positive indicator since volume typically follows stock price. On the last day, trading volume fell by 3 million shares, with a total of 13 million shares bought and sold for approximately $7.66 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $740.89, while the lowest was $414.50. Currently, the price is 17.53%, or $129.91, below the 52-week high of $740.89, which also stands as the all-time high for the stock. Meta Platforms is experiencing mixed signals in the market as of the 26th of March, 2025. Notably, Bob Lang highlighted that despite the impending 2nd of April tariff deadline, which traders perceive as significant, its actual impact may be overstated. This sentiment could encourage investors to take positions without undue concern over potential short-term volatility. While Meta shares saw a drop of 2% earlier today, they have shown resilience, with the stock closing at $626.31, marking a gain of 1.21% from the previous trading session. This resilience is notable, given the overall sell-off among the Magnificent 7 stocks, which includes Meta. Further complicating the landscape, Italy is pursuing tax claims against Meta and other tech giants, a move that could resonate throughout the European Union. This situation introduces a layer of regulatory risk that could affect Meta's operations and profit margins in the long term. Despite these challenges, analysts remain positive about Meta, suggesting it's not too late to make a purchase. Strength in revenue and earnings per share indicates robust fundamentals, supporting a potential recovery in the stock's value following recent dips. In the short term, volatility may present buying opportunities, while the long-term outlook could hinge on how effectively Meta navigates regulatory pressures and market fluctuations. Investors should weigh these dynamics carefully as they consider their positions in Meta. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 11th of February, 2025, it was reported that Tigris Financial assigned Meta a strong buy grade while recommending a hold action. On Thursday, the 30th of January, 2025, Scotiabank rated Meta with a sector perform grade and suggested a hold action. Also on Thursday, the 30th of January, 2025, BMO Capital gave Meta a market perform grade along with a hold action. On the same day, Cowen and Company rated Meta with a buy grade and recommended a hold action. Finally, on Thursday, the 30th of January, 2025, UBS assigned Meta a buy grade while also suggesting a hold action. Analysts have assigned Meta stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as strong buy. The following signals have been identified from Meta. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, March 18, 2025, and so far it has risen approximately 5%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot has been established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact the near-term development. The Meta stock currently holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. Nevertheless, the long-term average presents a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this creates the general sell signal for the stock, leading to a more negative forecast. If there are further gains, the stock will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $654.86. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find some support from the short-term average at $600.69. A breakout above the long-term average will generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will introduce an additional sell signal, reinforcing the overall trend. Volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which reduces the overall risk, as volume should typically align with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 7 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 15 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 23 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 19 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 3 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal from 3 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 2 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Meta. Meta finds support from accumulated volume at $597.99, and this level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock exhibits average daily movements, and with strong trading volume, the risk is deemed to be medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $20.14, which is a change of 3.332%. In the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 3.04%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Meta, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is expected on the 23rd of April, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $5.33. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Meta. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Meta is at $659.88. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Meta encounters its first support level at $597.99. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Meta from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 20th of March, 2025, Olivan Javier conducted an insider purchase of 31,370 shares of restricted stock units, RSU, Class A. On the same day, Bosworth Andrew also conducted an insider purchase of 31,370 shares of restricted stock units, RSU, Class A. Additionally, on the 20th of March, 2025, Cox Christopher K. made an insider purchase of 31,370 shares of restricted stock units, RSU, Class A. On that same day, Anderson Aaron purchased 5,303 shares of restricted stock units, RSU, Class A. Finally, on the 20th of March, 2025, Newstead Jennifer acquired 28,518 shares of restricted stock units, RSU, Class A. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 14.414. Overall, insiders purchased a total of 202,871 shares and sold 155,280 shares in the last 100 trades. Our assessment of this stock is unfavorable, and there is currently no stop loss in place. Is Meta stock a good buy? Meta exhibits several negative indicators, which suggest that its performance is likely to remain weak over the next few days or weeks. Thus, we maintain a negative outlook on this stock. Our analysis of the volatility and movements from the last trading day indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 27th of March, we anticipate that Meta will open higher by $3.80, starting at $614.78. It is important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. We advise consulting with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Don't forget to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and may you have a beautiful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.